everyone, my name is Bella and I'm a professional trader, and today I'll show you how to work with 3 powerful indicators on pocket option. So let's start with choosing a currency pair. Pocket option allows you to work with more than 20 charts, but among the available pairs I decided to focus on the LDCD pair because the chart shows stability today. So now let's add the indicators and start trading. Our indicators are displayed on the chart and let's study it. We observe stability as there are no significant and frequent jumps on the zigzag indicator. We see a downward trend for quite some time. Judging by the candles of the last 2 minutes, there is still potential for a downward movement. That said, the trade amount, a trend reversal is unlikely due to the prolonged decline. Therefore, confidently place your trade for a decrease. Yeah. So while the trade is in progress, you have a little bit of time to subscribe to my channel. And of course, you should subscribe to my Telegram channel because there you will find a lot of trading news and signals. The link is in the description. Excellent, a good start. We earned $73 from the first trade, and let's turn to our indicators again. We see a decline in the zigzag indicator as well as a breakthrough of trend candles further down. Without wasting time, let's set the amount and enter into the trade again for decrease. Let's assess the likelihood of a trend reversal. 3 large candles in a downtrend, that's a good signal. Without hesitation, we bet on a decrease. And here is our second successful trade. The balance is over 300%. We have a good start in this downtrend, but let's see what the percentage of profit we can get on other pairs. Let's add the pair CHV GPI to favorites and the second pair Euro GBP with a higher percentage. Yeah. Let's not forget about AUDCD, so let's take a look again at the chart we're familiar with. Is there still strength in the bears? Considering a prolonged decline and frequent small rebounds. Yeah. The bears are getting weaker, which means we expect a trend reversal soon. We see the first candles were trying to break through the upper level of the indicator. So let's set the next trade amount. The third trade for $134. Let's wait for a better entry point, I think. And bet upwards. And here is the third successful trade, all on the chart. You main ask is to find a stable chart because signals are easy to notice on a consistent chart like this one. We noticed a reversal and entered the trade at the right time. Now we see clear signals for momentum. Let's look at the other pairs we selected anyway. Let's start with the pair Euro GBP. We immediately see that the chart is complex to analyze. In some places we observe high volatility and frequent trend changes, particularly high volatility in the last hour. Entering trade is very risky, so we should look at the next pair. The pair CHV GBP, a good steady chart. We see the formation of 2 shoulders on the chart. The chart is going down with only 2 rebounds, and it formed for 2 shoulders with a downward trend. With such a pattern, it's necessary to assess the last of the chart to understand the predominant movement. In this case, it's predominantly downward. But entering a trade based on the pattern is late. Relying on the momentum, we can set the amount for our 4th trade and bet upwards. Let's open a trade at the bottom of the candle for an increase. Yes, excellent. We closed another profitable trade. Let's review the chart again for memorization. After a prolonged decline, the development of two rebounds and the formation of shoulders, and this is a strong pattern. It's best to enter it from the very beginning for a decrease in perspective. But within a minute trade, we used the momentum signal. Let's look at other pairs. Entering on Euro GBP is still risky. Very often there is a change in the trend. But look at what's happening now. A huge downward movement with a breakthrough of all levels. With a single candle with a large body, it's more likely that the moment will follow in the direction. We see that the lowest support level is broken and it's moving further. A good moment to enter the trade despite the overall unstable chart. The strong predictive signal for us is the super level. For chart data, let's use the horizontal line tool, add it to the chart and bring it to the bottom boundary. Now we see exactly at which level the breakthrough occurred. If you want a detailed video on all the index of working in the horizontal line, write it in the comments. As you can see, the chart has significantly dropped since the breakthrough, and we need to assess whether there is still potential to go down. On momentum, we see the appearance of red columns. And this tells us that there is potential and we can enter into a trade. So let's set the amount. Wait for a better moment to open the trade and enter into trade for a decrease. Another successful trade. We caught an excellent moment on the chart. Balance is now $880 and we don't stop here. Let's take a moment. I must inform you that I have my own Telegram channel and I highly recommend you to subscribe. My Telegram channel is a community of traders of varying levels, from beginners to professionals. Every day I make posts where you'll find real-time signals, daily market and stock reviews, effective strategies, and insider tips. All of this is already generating income for my colleagues and subscribers. If you didn't know about this, follow the link in the description and you'll see for yourself. Subscribe to my Telegram channel today and become a successful trader tomorrow. Back to the chart. Let's take a look at the reversal. Let's set the next trade amount and let's think about how long the bulls will stay stronger. Again, let's refer to the momentum. Low green bars, a typical signal of bull trend. In a prolonged downward trend, we'll enter a downward trade. Our sixth successful trade. Now we see that the rise was a short-term rebound. Always look at the driving force. This is rebound formed a super level. Let's mark it with a line to track the moment. For now, as we see, the chart is bounced off the level. Remember where the level is, and here it is necessary to wait. In case of breakthrough below the level, we will also bet on a decline. Such moments are easy to notice, but it's not worth rushing with a trade. Let's see how now the percentage have changed on other pairs for now. As we see, 85% is currency maximum for profit from pairs. We'll stick the Euro GBP and wait for a bit. After 2 minutes, we see a breakthrough of the inner channel upwards movement. Zigzag along the upper shadows of the candles. We'll set the trade amount. We'll open the trade downwards, accepting the formation of a shoulder. Yeah. Excellent! We increased the balance by 6,000%. Balance is now $2,400, but that's not all. We'll enter another trade as we didn't wait for the shoulder formation. Zigzags still along the tops of the shadows and momentum bars are moving towards a bezel-in. There are strong signals of a downward moment. Let's provide the trade amount again at $1,000 and confidently enter the trade downwards. Amazing! We did a tremendous job! Balance is over $3,000 and it's an excellent result. So today we earned $3,300 starting with just $40, and that's an amazing result, as I said. And you can succeed in this too. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description to learn more and earn more. And of course, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments what indicators you'd like to see in the next video. Wishing you successful trades. Goodbye.